Good morning, students. Today I will teach you nouns and its kinds. So, what is noun? Words which are used as names of persons, animals, places, or things are called nouns. Now, all naming words, all naming words of persons, animals, places, or things are nouns. For example, Tom. Tom is the name of a boy, girl. Army, iron, health, etc. So, all naming words are nouns. Understood? Now, next, move on to its kinds. First, proper noun. So, what is proper noun? Proper noun is the spatial name. Is the spatial name of a particular person or place. For instance, for example, Smith is a proper noun. Smith is the name of a boy. It is the name of a particular person. Okay, a spatial name given to a boy. So it is a proper noun. For it is the name of one particular boy. Now, in the same way, Madras is a proper noun. Why? Because it is the name of a particular city. Madras is the name of a particular city. That's why Madras is proper noun. Next, note down this point. A proper noun always begins, means always starts with a capital letter. Now, students, listen. Along this proper noun, I would explain you about common noun also. For example, Smith. Smith is the name of a boy, one particular boy. So, here Smith is proper noun because it is the name of a particular boy. But boy is not a proper noun, though it is the naming word, but it is a common noun because it is common to all boys. But when I will give one particular name of a boy, then that name will become a proper noun. And proper noun always starts with capital letter. But common noun never starts with capital letter. So, the name boy can be given to any and every boy. To Aftab, Harry, Raman, John, etc. The name boy can be given to any and every boy, like to Aftab, Hari, Raman, John, etc. It does not point out any particular boy. Okay, so it is a name common to all boys. It is therefore called a common noun. In the same way, the name city is called a common noun. City city is a common noun because it does not point out any particular city such as Delhi, Madras, Patna, okay? So, but is used for any and every city. Understood? So, what is a common noun? Common noun is a noun which does not point out, okay, any particular person, place or thing, but is common to all persons, places or things of the same kind or class. Okay? So, what is a common noun and what is a proper noun? Proper noun means it is the spatial name of a particular person or place. For instance, Smith or Madras. But what is a common noun? Common noun which does not point out any particular or place or person or thing. Rather, it is common to all persons, places or things of the same kind or class. Next, when a noun stands for a collection means group of. Collection means group of. Okay? Group of persons or things considered as one complete whole means group. It is called a collective noun. What are the collective noun? These are the examples like army, flock, crowd, okay, then class, team, herd, fleet, jury, family, nation, committee. So these are the examples of collective noun. The noun iron, wood, gold, cotton are the names of the material of which things can be made, right? So, these materials, nouns are called material. These things are called material nouns. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made, like with the wood we can make furniture, right? Ornaments are made of gold. Then iron rods are made of iron. Okay. Then so all these things are material nouns. Material nouns means a noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made. It is called material noun. Next, abstract noun. For example, Ashok always speaks the truth. Here, truth is abstract noun. See, we can see the sun, right? We can touch a slate, but can we see or touch the truth? Can we see or touch the truth? Yes or no? No. It denotes a thing which we can neither see nor touch. So, abstract noun is what? Which we can neither see nor touch. It is the name of something that we can only think of. Such a name is called abstract noun. Now, so what is noun and what are the kinds of noun? There are how many kinds? Proper noun, common noun, then collective noun, then material nouns and abstract nouns.